Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Image Classification Explorer interface. This interface will allow you to build your very own image classification models and train them on whatever you want. All you have to do is tell the interface what exactly it is you want the model to learn and give examples of those things by using your webcam. Let's get started. The interface is located at https://classifier.appinventor.mit.edu. When you visit the website, you'll have to give permissions for the website to use your webcam. Otherwise, you won't be able to use the interface. The first thing we're going to do is tell the interface what exactly you want the model to learn. Let's build a model that will recognize different facial expressions. For example, a smile, a surprised face, and maybe a face with our tongue sticking out. To add examples for these labels, we can go ahead and click on the labels, pose in front of the webcam, and hit Add Example. In general, more examples will allow the model to better learn what exactly it is you're trying to make it learn. When you're satisfied with adding labels and examples, you can go ahead and click on the Next button. This will bring you over to the Select Model step, where you can actually tweak the specific model that you're going to train. However, this is outside the scope of this video, so we'll just take the default settings and click on the Train Model button. This may take a few seconds, but what the Train Model button is doing is it takes all of the labels and examples you added in the previous step, and it actually trains the model to recognize those labels and examples. When this is done, it'll bring you over to the third step, where you can add testing data. In this step, you have the ability to add additional examples that the model has never seen before in order to determine how well the model performs. When you're done adding testing examples, you can go ahead and click on the Predict button. What this will do is it'll run the model you just trained on all of these examples, and it'll take you to a page where you can see how well the model performed on these examples. The Review Results page has a couple of tools that will allow you to analyze how well your model has performed. You can view the label correctness table, which is shown by default. This shows you all of the labels that you gave the model, and it allows you to see all of the testing examples that you added and whether or not they were labeled correctly or incorrectly. You may also view the confidence graph, which allows you to filter by individual labels, and it allows you to see whether or not the model labeled them with very high, high, or medium confidence. For both the label correctness table and the confidence graph, you can also directly compare two images by clicking on them and looking at the right panels. When you're done looking at the View Results step, you can either go back to the first step in order to improve upon your model, or if you're satisfied with your model, you can actually download it by using this button on the right. This will give you a file that you can actually put into an App Inventor extension that we've built that will allow you to use the model that you just trained in an App Inventor application. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.